YouTube, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is day 9 and I am heading to church. It is Sunday. I'm running late, of course, but at least this week I do not have to stop and get gas. But I feel like I'm still going to end up getting there at about the same time as I did before, which was definitely not my goal. So yeah, and actually I really was contemplating on whether or not I was even going to go to church, just because I was just tired. I had got up early to work overtime at my job yesterday, and I don't know, I was just like, do I feel like really just getting up, putting on makeup and all that good stuff? But I knew that I had some other filming that I was going to have to do for you guys, so I was like, well, let me go ahead and do it. So I went ahead and got dressed. Now I'm heading there now. I also had to stop at Michael's, which just so happens to be right across the street from my church, because as you guys know, later today I am going to be decorating the Christmas tree. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys my home decor. I gotta edit and I have to cook. I think I may try to show you guys the cooking, but it just depends on the setup. Because my kitchen is so small, I would really have to kind of see. I've never done anything like that, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But I'm definitely going to be doing some cooking today too. So I have a pretty jam-packed day. I'm trying to take some rest in between there. So yeah, just thought I would check in with you guys instead of just jumping right into the, home decor and decorating portion of the video. I like to kind of give you guys an intro of what's to come. So I will see you guys I'll see you guys later. Okay, y'all, here is the long-awaited Christmas decor video. I just thought I would come on and say hello to you guys because I just got finished. And I just want to give a disclaimer that the Christmas tree didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. I mean, it's okay, but it's not the best. And, oh my God, I have this glare. It's finally sunny here in Cleveland, so I'm really excited about that. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna just go right ahead and get into the vlog because I know you guys want to see what I've done. I just want to say it's not that much. I didn't do as much as I did last year, but I did do a little something, and I'll kind of walk through each thing. I will tell you, here we go, that's much better. I will walk through each thing. I will tell you, where I got it if I could remember, give you price points and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get finished rambling here and go ahead and let you guys see. Okay, so the first area here is around the mirror. As you can see, I decorated with this like silver tinsel tree. I have my 2 little reindeer, then I have a little house that I don't know, I kind of tried to create a little village. So yeah, that's what I did there. The reindeer I purchased from Kohl's last year. That little house I got from the Target dollar spot. That tool I had cut from Joanne Fabrics, and that's actually what I use as my what is it called? My tree skirt last year, but it was too small for the tree I have this year. And this tree I want to say I got from Aldi's maybe like 5 years ago, but I know for sure they have them at Michael's because I also have another one that I ended up using last year on the other side of my house, but this particular year I only put up one. Okay, so then the next area that I'm going to talk about is the table, the dining room table. These placemats I actually purchased for only $1 at Target dollar spot, along with these Christmas trees here. I just thought they would just be a cute added little touch to have there. I don't know if I told you guys or if you guys seen in my other vlogs, but I told you guys that I'm going with a farmhouse theme Christmas this year. So I definitely wanted to kind of incorporate like a brown woody type effect. So I love how it had the wood at the bottom of there. Then my table is wood, as you can see. These kind of have the wooden-ish, whatever, the branch is brown in there. So I was kind of trying to tie everything together like that. And then this part is just something that's here all year round. This is my base, but that also kind of had it in there. So I feel like my house already had kind of like a farmhouse feel to it. So I thought it would be perfect for me to kind of piggyback off of that for Christmas this year. Okay, so here is the long-awaited look of the Christmas tree. I probably should have came in front of it. That probably would have made more sense. But yes, this is the Christmas tree. I tried to put some ribbon on it. It wasn't working out that well, but I did get all the owls and stuff like that that I was showing you guys in the last video. So let me go walk up on it now. So as you can see, I put pine cones that I got from Michael's on there. This tree came from the Family Dollar. This was only $10 for this Christmas tree. I didn't get the pre-lit one just because my lighting situation in this apartment is not the best. As you can see, the outlets over there don't even have like the prongs on it. So I went ahead and I just got the regular Christmas tree. I spray painted it with the white spray paint snow that I purchased from Michael's for, I want to say, about like $2. Then I went and got all those ornaments and stuff from Walmart, which you guys seen. Then I wanted my bags to kind of have like a paper bag, brown, wooden effect to them. So silver, white, and the blue kind of just added a little extra touch to it. I purchased that bag at the Dollar Tree, along with pretty much all the other bags up under there, except for maybe the one with the ornaments in the back that has that brown look to it. I forgot where I got that from, but that one's really old. And then the owls just added a cute little extra touch to the Christmas tree. I didn't want to do too much with the tree. As you can see, the top of it has that little bow that I was trying to show you guys. And it seems like the sun is going down already. Goodness. Well, hopefully you guys can see this. But, and don't pay attention to the chair that's turned over outside the window. But anyways, yeah, so that's that. But I think it came out all right overall. I just wish I could have really got the tulle all the way around. But what I'm gonna do with the leftover tulle of that is just tie it up maybe and just like maybe glue it to the bags to give the bags a little extra touch to it. And then of course, as I start to buy presents and stuff, I'll probably end up getting more bags. So it'll all come together, you know, once I have all the presents and stuff that I'm gonna get. And then this area over here is just kind of like a bar carded area. This is a plant, not a Christmas tree, but I know it's giving Christmas vibes over here too. And I gotta cut the brown stems off. Please excuse that. But I just added a little Christmas tree that I purchased last year from, I want to say, the Dollar Tree. They're only $1. Now last year's theme was like a glam theme. So that's why this is kind of a little extra compared to everything else that I've been showing you guys. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. And then we will turn around and come over here to this little part. And I also have another one of those trees there too. Just another tree I had just sat on top of my kind of like dining table area. And then I have this area here where I actually made these Christmas trees last year. I used some, what did I use? I used like some, not cardboard, the poster board paper. Like I rolled them up and then I used actually like those little, they look like Reese cup wrappers or something. So yeah, I just hot glue gun those all around there and just made little Christmas trees. So I just love the effect that those give, and it's a very inexpensive way to decorate if you guys are looking for some good DIYs. So I just set all three of them here on my little end table, as you guys can see. And then I have some Christmas music playing, as you can see on the TV. And I have my beautiful, gorgeous stockings that I just love. I purchased these stockings last year from Kohl's. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. And then I have paired with the two little ornaments that I got from the not ornaments, I don't know what those things are. They used to light up, but they don't this year because I don't have an actual battery. But I got those from the Dollar Tree, so I just thought they were a cute little added touch. Okay guys, so that wraps that up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be Vlogmas Day 10 already. And I have something different for tomorrow, so you guys will see that. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much my day-to-day. Like I said, I may add the stuff about cooking in here. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do that yet. So if not, the vlog will end here. I'll see how the whole cooking part goes. But yeah, if I don't get to see you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you're not already subscribed. And also make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. Follow me on all my socials, which will be linked down below. And bye guys, thanks again for watching the video.